So you can see all the bees in the box here, and they're just all swarmed. We captured them off of a limb of a tree, and they're just in this cardboard box. And you can see how docile they are because everybody's just complacent, hanging out with the queen, who you can't see at the moment. And we're going to take them out of this box that you see there, and we're going to move them over here into this hive. So we've got a little brush here, and we'll sweep them out of there. We've put some sugar water in this little container here, sprayed them a bit so that they don't fly off and everything, and at the same time they get a little treat, which is kind of fun. And we're just getting the robber bees out of this one here that decided to come in and see what was up. So just remember what this box looked like. That's all going to disappear in just a few minutes. Oh, we've got the box up now, as you can see. We're slowly scooping it out into the hive.
As long as we get the queen in there, everything will be good.
Everything will be good. If we don't get the queen, they're going to be upset, and then all heck is going to break loose. But that's not going to happen. So everybody's just looking around trying to figure out what's going on, and now we're going to put a couple of little frames back in. And we'll hope for the best that they don't swarm again anytime soon. Time will tell. No sight of the queen just yet, but that'll show up later.
If they stay in here, that's because the queen is here.
That's it. Well, hopefully she is. Alrighty.